Namaskar. I am Anand Ganu, founder president Garze Marathi Global. The mission purpose of Garze Marathi Global is networking, mentoring, giving back to our community, to our Janmabhoomi, to our Karmabhoomi, and to celebrate success of fellow Marathis across the globe. आपण आपल्या स्वतःची प्रगती करत असताना आपल्या मराठी समाजाची, आपल्या महाराष्ट्राची, आपल्या कर्मभूमीची आणि जन्मभूमीची सेवा करण्यासाठीच गर्जे मराठीचं अस्तित्व आहे. As you all know, Garze Marathi Australia Incorporated is a legal entity now, having office at Melbourne, thanks to efforts of Dr. Pritam Gogale and Dr. Vijay Joshi. Having said that, formation of a legal entity is just first step. Now we all have to come together to bring all Marathi individuals in Australia on one platform to create a support system for our youths, for our entrepreneurs, professionals, and for those who are aspiring to make it higher, the higher rungs in their corporate world as well. Also to create a channel to give back to our community, to our Maharashtra, and to celebrate success of those who are high achievers from our communities, so that others can get inspired from their success. But how do we do this? To discuss this, GMG Australia's vision and the mission statement, we are coming together on Sunday, 5th October at 10:30 a.m. Perth time, 12 noon Adelaide time, and 12:30 noon Sydney time on a Zoom platform. Of course, the link to the Zoom meeting is shared in the comments. The agenda for the meeting will be to create leader team for the each major city of Australia, to create leader team for initiatives and programs by Garze Marathi Australia that we are going to undertake, to create an editor team and contributors for the Gaurav, the Garze Marathi's monthly magazine, which will have Australia edition also, and it will be mirrored in Garze Marathi Gaurav Global also, to create social media and outreach team, because it is necessary that people should know that we exist, and to learn about various initiatives that we'll be launching in Australia. I would like to mention few initiatives here. Garze Marathi Global Innovation Academy is a virtual academy that we have recently formed at a very, very prestigious event at Stanford on 2nd August. We'll be conducting various courses which will be useful for all of us. Then we have Garze Marathi Maha Marketplace, Garze Marathi Global Startup Mentoring Program, as well as Venture Catalyst Program, Garze Marathi Chamber of Commerce and Business Catalyst for those who wish to establish their businesses across Australia, across India, across USA or anywhere. And other important initiative is that मी आणि माझा जिल्हा, आपण ज्या मातीत जन्मलो त्या मातीचे ऋण फेडण्यासाठी एकत्र येणं डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाईज, हा एक मोठा उपक्रम म्हणून हातात घेतोय. अँड लास्ट बट नॉट लिस्ट, आपण कॅम्पस टू कॉर्पोरेट स्टुडंट मेंटरिंग प्रोग्राम हाही आपण हातात घेतोय. सो वी हॅव formed a Garze Marathi Australia WhatsApp group and a LinkedIn group for the easier communication and better communication. So we all should join those groups also. And I'm looking forward for your active participation in the inaugural Zoom call that we will be hosting on October 5th at 12:30 p.m. Sydney time. Thank you very much. Looking forward to meeting you on 5th October.